Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uncover player clues in ES4 FC Mobile 24. So this is the Mystery Signings week 2 is on. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission, so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and this one mystery signings feature, tap it. And this is the week 2. We already made in week 1 previous video. I take Alexis McAllister, this one, Alexis McAllister from Liverpool, and this is the week 2. We are going to see player 1 clue here, but before that, let's read this. Welcome to mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mysterious player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone reward. This one. I already got one, so you have to unlock or reveal two more player. So let's get started by typing this player one clue. Tap. And this is the guarantee reward for you, 70 until 88, contains 70 plus of your best UCL, UL, or UCL player. Or you can get this possible reward for you. For example, we have Wonderkid here, Jamal Musiala from Bayern Munich. Or you can get this from from UCL group stage UL live player, Steven Berghuis. This is possible reward for you if you are lucky. And tap this one, free. Let's see who's we've got. I've got this Murawski. I don't know this guy. Maybe you're luckier than me. So this is the player one clue is 85 OVR best player. The first one from another league. I don't know what league it is. Maybe you know. So thank you for watching. Please try these mystery cyclings before expire. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.